Thank you for joining in, and for today's video I have another review, and this time up we have some acrylic paint markers. And let's see, there are 12 colors in this set, and the brand is Emooqi, which we've tried out a lot on this channel. They have a lot of fun products. Let's see here. They do come individually wrapped. I took off all the plastic beforehand, and just like most other paint pens, you do have to give them a good shake, and then you're gonna press down on the tip to get the paint to come down. So I did already go ahead and do that to save some time. Let's see here. I will swatch all the colors, but you see you get blue, green, a gold, and a silver, the white and black, yellow, pink, red, purple, and orange. So you get a good variety there, your basic rainbow. And then it's nice that they threw in the gold and the silver there for some metallics. And then a white is always nice too for highlights. And the size on this particular one is the 0.7, and these are water-based. So these are more of a fine tip, which I will show. But if you're curious, they also have the thicker markers, the paint pens. They have like that, your standard little bullet tip, which is a little bit bigger than these. Just in case if anybody was curious, because these are more like a fine liner. And they can be used for crafts, on rocks, ceramic, wood, glass, fabric, so a wide variety of things. And the price point, and they are $9.89 on Amazon. So we're going to go ahead and do some swatches now. Some of these colors are bright, so I'm going to show them on a piece of black paper here and the white, just so you can see the difference. Okay, so you can see the tip there. And it does say acrylic painter, marks on anything water-based. And then there's some instructions on each marker. It says to shake several times, press down on the tip, and then make sure you put the cap back on. And some basic information there. Okay. So we'll just make a few lines there. And like I said, these are great for details. Okay, so that's the silver. This white is really nice. That's nice and bright. Even if you do a lot of watercolor, that white would be nice. There's sometimes gel pens, the whites aren't bright enough. So you get a fun orange. It's like a purple. This one's the gold. now we're going to see on the white. Just slip that right there. This is like a nice bubblegum pink. And this one was the brown again. This yellow is really bright, so you may not be able to see it. That's why I wanted to show on the black paper as well. And then you have your white, which I showed over on the black. See, overall, these colors are really, they look really good. Let's see, the orange was a little hard to see on the black after it dried. It definitely looks better on the white. But then again, the yellow looks better on the black. So depending on what you're painting on, you can play around with your colors. Overall, they look really nice. Nice and bright. The ink is all even, which is good too. I think that these are really fun to use for a wide variety of things. Even right now, I know a lot of people are doing crafts for the holidays, so these fine tip pens will come in handy for that. And I will leave a link down below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this quick review, and a thank you to Emooqi for letting me try out their products, which I always enjoy and appreciate. Be sure to subscribe, like the video, and I'll see you next time.